Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just basically doing a tutorial on this makeup look right here. So this is a quick, easy New Year's Eve makeup look. It's very dark and vampy if that's what you like. If you guys just need inspo for New Year's Eve or you guys just want to follow along, just keep on watching. Alright, so for my brows, I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. I did just do them off camera because they take me a little while to do. And then I just went ahead and cleaned them up and primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. Concealer. And now I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced the Natural Nudes palette. That's what it's called. The Natural Nudes palette to do this brown smoky eye. So going in with the shade Truffle, we're just going to use a small like packing brush and just literally pack that all over your lid. I'm just gonna create the shape that I want. I want more like of a rounded shape for my eye. So I'm just gonna pack that on. So don't blend it out or anything, literally just pack it on and get the color that you want first. So like I said, I just want it to be a dark brown. And I am going to take it just a little bit above my crease. As you guys can see, I created like a little round shape. And again, I'm just going to keep packing that on. And don't worry, it may look a little bit crazy, but we're going to blend it out. Once you get it to the shape that you want and the color that you want, you're just going to go in with a small blending brush and go in with the shade Maple, which is kind of like a lighter brown. And then you're literally just going to blend the edges out. So you're just gonna like go back and forth, blend the edges out. And you wanna blend it out like right on the line. Like don't take it up more yet. And then keep the same shape. As you can see, we already have that smoky effect. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and go in with the lightest, my palette. I go in with the lightest shade Swan, and you're just gonna take a little bit of that and buff out the edges. So because it's a light color, it's not really gonna show up, and it's just gonna act as like that transition shade for the second color we used. And it's just going to make sure everything looks smooth and blended out. So you literally just take that all around and blend it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm just going to go in with the Lilly lashes in the style Miami, and I'm just going to put these on. Now that the eyes are done, we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to go in with the Hydro Grip Primer. So I just take 2 pumps of that and apply it all over. And with a beauty blender, I'm just going to go in with the NARS foundation. This is the Radiant Longwear one. I put about 3 pumps, and then we're just gonna apply it to the face. And I promise this is my shade. I feel like it's picking up a little like dark. Now I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna put that, can you even see? I'm gonna put that right here. like to put some in the corner of my nose. And then I'm gonna put a little bit right here. And a little bit right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna go in with the Rare Beauty spray. Trust. Trust. Spray before you blend out your concealer. So now I'm just gonna use a brush. I'm gonna use a brush and blend the concealer out. To my face. And you wanna make sure you're blending it out like where you put it. Don't be dragging it everywhere. So I'm just gonna let the concealer sit for a few minutes, and while I wait for that, I'm gonna go in with the Mario contour stick in the shade Dark. I'm just gonna take this big highlighter brush and kind of just airbrushed. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my forehead. And a little bit on my neck. Now that the concealer has been sitting for a few minutes, we're gonna go in with the same brush and blend out the creases and set right away. And of course, I'm gonna be setting with my One Size powder. So you just wanna blend the creases. Okay. And then go in with your puff and literally press everything in. So now I'm going to go with this blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this shade right up here. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Revlon Skin Lights in the shade Twilight Gleam. I'm gonna go ahead and spray one more time. Now to finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with the same little brush, and I'm gonna go in with the dark brown shade and just add a little bit under my eye. And kind of just smoke it out to the edge. So to finish off the look, I'm going to be going with the new Revlon ColorStay Satin Ink Lipstick. This one is in the shade Royal Amethyst. To line my lips, I'm going to use the ColorStay Matte Lip Crayon. So now to go in with the lipstick. Ooh. What a pretty color. Lipstick is satin. It has a nice consistency. It feels really good on the lips. And I really like the color. Yes, look at how it goes with the eye look. It looks so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, oh, let me. Ooh. Let's fluff the hair. to finally finish off and set my makeup, I'm gonna go in again with the Rare Beauty spray. Alright. And that completes the look. So this is it for today's look. I love how it turned out. I love the dark lip with the smoky eye. I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve. It's definitely me, and I'll definitely be doing something very similar for New Year's Eve. So if you guys like the tutorial and want more looks, comment below, let me know, like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.